And their idea was that the bomb would contain human sexual pheromone which would release whenever the bomb would be dropped. Whoever would smell be affected by the pheromones would theoretically turn gay, and the USAF hoped that once the men turned gay they would be too infatuated by each other to fight, letting America win future wars. Obviously this was never made, but only because they couldn't get it to work. It did win a satirical Nobel Peace Prize. 8. The concept of jaywalking was invented by car manufacturers because too many people were dying on the roads. Most people in North America would have considered the road to be public space, and not the exclusive right of motorists. There was a concerted lobbying effort by Detroit to seize that public space for the exclusive use of car drivers. 9. The USA sprayed San Francisco with bacteria to see what happened.